Hello guys, today let's see if I can do it to Canterbury from Dover. It's roughly 32 kilometers, around 20 miles. Let's see what happens. Let's go. Three kilometers already. Nice hill coming up. Let's go. Four kilometers, 300. Still in Dover. Can say like kind of leaving the residential area. I am on my way to Shepperds Well now. kilometers. 2/3 of the bar done. And obviously, I got lost because I was with my phone in my pocket and it's one deep, like a small line, and I'm cut in the middle of the woods, then I cannot pass, then I need to try to find the way to go. The signal is not great. I don't know how I'm gonna find the path. I am in the middle of, I don't know. I don't even know, it's a private area, I don't know where I'm going. Patrixbourne, I don't know the name. I'm gonna make a zoom. Nice one. Nice one. Truly recommended. Three kilometers and a half to go, guys. 3 kilometers and a half. It's gonna be 27 kilometers in total from my house to Canterbury. 24 kilometers. And apparently we're in Canterbury already. It's 1 mile to downtown. You're reaching a place like this. Canterbury, one of the most amazing cities in Kent, south of England. Look at this, this is pure history. Look at this. This is the Catholic Church and Shrine of St. Thomas of Canterbury. That's beautiful. Doesn't matter your religion, doesn't matter what you believe. This is history. I'm so happy. Canterbury, first time Dover to Canterbury is a reality. Now it's time to start thinking in the new challenge. It's like I said, put a challenge in your life and you're gonna get up in the morning. Doesn't matter how tired you are, doesn't matter how sad you feel, you're gonna shake yourself and you're gonna go. Because this is priceless. now I can say we did roughly everything. 27 kilometers, 800 meters, 28, let's say. Maybe I'm gonna do a couple of walks just to see what happened. Guys, if you like the video, please like, subscribe, share with your friends, leave a comment. If you don't like, let me know why. It's everything alright. This feedback is amazing for me, and thank you very much for everything. Thank you so much. Guys, I'm here in Canterbury today. We finished one more video of Seagull running channel. Hope you guys enjoyed today. It was an amazing experience. 29 kilometers. So happy. The Pilgrims Way is done, at least from Dover to Canterbury. Next chapter, let's see what is it. Today, not from Dover, UK. Today from Canterbury, Canterbury Cathedral, Seagull running to the world. See you soon, guys.